guys, it's Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I have my June 2018 bead box and bag subscription sitting here in front of you that I have not yet opened, so I'm excited to be able to unbox it with you so you can see what I got at the same time as I do. For those who don't know, the bead box is a monthly subscription service where you can get beads, findings, cord, all that sorts of thing to make jewelry. It's as low as $18.50 a month, and that includes shipping if you sign up for like 6 months. And then you can also sign up for the bead bag, which is an $8 a month add-on, and you would get 4mm Czech fire polish strands and 4 3mm Czech fire polish strands. So here we go. Here's the bag sitting right on the top, and we always get a little note. I'm going to set this aside and we'll take a look at the bag first. It says, "Dear member, we're back from the Czech Republic and had a wonderful time picking out items for future boxes and bags. While we were there, we also had a chance to see many of the items being made, from raw materials to finished products. The process is amazing. Many of the items will take a while to get here, but we did manage to bring back this month's Voodoo Beads in our luggage. We also found some goodies with smaller quantities to put in the online shop. Be sure to check out the website regularly for these items, other new products, and all your favorites." Awesome. Cannot wait to see what they found over there. That must have been such an awesome trip. Alright, so then on the back we have our list of what is in the box right here. So I'm going to set that aside for when we get to the box. And then this is our bag. So again, we have 4 3mm and 4 4mm strands. So let's see what we have. Already seeing some really cool things. Wow. Just separating them by the size. Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's see what the list says. We have, for our 3mm strands, opaque yellow capri. Okay. And then, alright, so that would be this one. That is so cool. Look at that. It's really bright yellow. And then the other half is a cool, I guess what they're calling the capri finish. But a lot of like pink and magenta. I see a little bit of blue. So kind of a metallic-y, multicolor finish on the other half, which is beautiful. Oh, I love it. That is so summery. And then opaque white and half silver. I love the multicolor fire polish beads. Makes them so interesting. And I want to say we got the 4mm size in this last month, but I cannot remember for sure. I know I saw one in my stash, so I don't know if that was from another time or not. Beige opal half copper. Check that out. It's like semi-transparent, a little bit matte finish, and then the AB just gives it a really cool pop of different colors depending on how the light hits it. That's beautiful. That'll go with a lot of things. And then matte crystal copper AB. Did I say the wrong thing? I think I did. Matte crystal. Okay, sorry guys. This is the matte crystal copper AB, evidently. And then this one is the beige opal half copper. So sorry about that. Both beautiful. So this is beige opal half copper. As you can see, half copper, half beige. And then again, this was the matte crystal copper AB. Very nice. That's it for the 3mm strands for June. And then our 4mm strands, we have opaque yellow capri. So we got that in the 3mm and the 4mm, which is awesome. Just gonna do a little close up on it. How beautiful. And then we have Navy Vega Luster. Ooh. These finishes on these beads are just amazing. Wow. That's gorgeous. So pretty. And then Aqua Green Luster. This one is so shiny. I'm just turning them so you can get the effects as best you can of just how shiny that is and how pretty that finish is. It's got a little bit of like a darker, smokier tone on it as well, in addition to the aqua green. And then we have Crystal Silver Lined AB, which is a classic. Will go in everything practically. So always good to have more Crystal AB in the stash. All right. Well, we're off to a good start. A great start, actually. These are beautiful. So I'm going to set those up here. Then we can get started looking at our box. Okay. Oh, I'm seeing some nice things. Alright, we're going to go down the list. Let's see. So, we start off with our strands. First one is a 3mm Czech fire polish matte black, which would be this guy right here. Awesome. Beautiful matte finish. Classic black. Love it. Okay, then 3mm Czech fire polish alabaster white. Ooh, pretty. Always can use more white beads. Don't have a lot of white. And the alabaster finish, it might be hard to see in the camera, but it's really shiny. Really, really shiny. Glossy, I should say. Beautiful. And then we have 6mm square, Czech glass 2-hole square in jet black. Very nice. Some more 2-hole square beads. Yep, classic black. And then we have 7mm Czech fire polish rose luster. Ooh, this is a new size, 7mm. Awesome. How pretty is this finish too? Wow. Maren may not be picking it up, but it's got the shine has kind of a golden cast to it. So it's beautiful. And then of course, you know, the little flecks of pink and white and tan on the bead. Those are so pretty. Okay. The next one is MC Cuts Czech Crystal, Kelly Green, Rainbow Iris, or Aqua AB. So it looks like I got the Kelly Green. Oh, very cool. So it's kind of like a larger bicone, 8mm bicone. And mine looks to have the AB finish on it. It's really pretty. Another new size. I don't have any 8mm bicones like this, so very cool. And then finally, our last strand is 6mm Czech glass Druck in aqua, which is this. I love aqua. I work with this color a lot. I'm just drawn to it. So awesome to add more basic 6mm rounds, just in another color. So look at all these strands right here, just for the June box alone, and we have so much more to see. That's why I love this subscription box. It's awesome. Alright, so for our additional items, first thing is 6x8mm Freshwater Pearl, natural silver with crystal rhinestones, 6 to 8mm one piece. That's sweet. It's very cute. We got a larger size just like this a couple months ago, and I used it in a necklace set as part of a pendant because I just had one, and it came out really cute. In fact, it's still on my Etsy shop if you want to take a look at it. Pull this out so you can see it a little bit better. So sweet. Cool. Alright, the next item, 4mm silver plated brass square chain. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Square chain. Yes, I love getting chain. I use chain all the time, and this is such a cool shape. Square, you guys. How pretty is that? It's just a little different, I mean, than you usually see with the ovals and whatnot. That's great. Awesome. Really pretty. Love it. Okay, the next item, 9x26mm pewter cat charm. Interesting. Aw, how sweet. How sweet. Let's see. That's really cute. And look, it even has a back. So sweet. I don't have any kitties. I have 2 doggies. But kitties are sweet. Maybe somebody who really likes kitties in my life, I'll make them something with that. Very cute. Alright, then we have our 10mm pewter large hole slider. 2 pieces, an antique brass. Yeah, these are great for like cords. And I was just thinking today how I didn't have anything with like really large holes because I was doing something with some suede cord and I had a really hard time finding anything else. So it's great to have things like this just put away, even if you don't know what to do with them right this minute. You'll have them for later, and there you go. Okay, then we have 4x6mm carnelian chips, 10 pieces. Let's see, that's gotta be it's gotta be these, yeah. Those are cute. And orange is an unusual color for beads. Don't see a whole lot of orange beads. So it's good to have them. Super shiny. Organic shape because they're chips. So cute. And then 12mm Czech glass turbine, jet black with purple iris, 2 pieces. So you guys remember last month we got like orange and copper colored turbine beads? Well, these are like the same size, but they're really cool black with purple iris. So neat. I made a set of earrings with these last month, and I posted them online. I did the bead like this with a tassel hanging down, a little tassel in a coordinating color, and it was simple, but I thought it was a cute way to showcase the really unique shape of these beads. And I really like the color of these two. This will go with so much. Okay, then we have 5 by 6 millimeter Czech glass faceted beads. Jet black. Oh, cute. These kind of mimic the shape of those turban beads. They're just smaller. Very cute. Just an interesting shape. Basic color will go with a lot, but an interesting shape. Okay. The next thing we got, 12 by 16 millimeter Voodoo Bead matte jet black with aqua wash. Wow. I have seen these a lot. They're not my style in particular, but I know a lot of people like them. I mean, they're really fun. So that's cool. And just to let you guys know, I will be having a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and it will have things that I may not think are for me personally, but also a whole bunch of other things I love. And so I'm going to add this to my stash that I have going so that when I do reach 1,000 subscribers, it'll be a fun giveaway. All right. Then we have 3 more items. 5 by 19 millimeter Swarovski crystal column bead 2 holes. Crystal astral pink. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Check that out. This is gorgeous. It's got an orange and flashes of pink in the light. That's amazing. I love this. This would be an awesome focal in a necklace somehow. That's really cool. I love that. And it's genuine Swarovski, so quality is amazing. Alright, then we have 0.18 inch bead-along stringing wire satin gold. Yep, I'm getting to the end of my gold bead stringing wire that we got the last time, so this is amazing. So glad to have this in the box, because I'm getting to the end, using it all up, which is what I'm supposed to do. And finally, we have 0.7 by 8 millimeter spring rings in antique copper plating. Yes, awesome. Really trying to build up my copper findings. This helps a ton. Very good. All right, my lovely viewers, this does it for the June 2018 dollar bead box and bag. Once again, always a pleasure to have you sharing the excitement with me. It makes it more fun for me to be able to film it and share in the excitement with all you guys. So please leave me a comment if there's something you really liked in particular, or if you have a question, or just want to stop by and say hello. I love to hear from you all. So I will be having a couple more bead box openings this week. This seems to be bead box week. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.